What's up guys, in this video let's unbox a Nokia for the first time on the channel, the Nokia 6.1 Plus or X6. Check out its camera and test its glass resistance and structural strength. As this is the first time for a Nokia smartphone on the channel, it's still exciting even though the Nokia of old is gone and has been taken over by HMD Global. The Nokia 6.1 Plus has a comparatively smaller 5.8-inch Full HD Plus screen instead of 6 inches common in most other phones, with an impressive pixel density of 432 pixels per square inch, which makes for better display quality. And the weight is relatively low at 151 grams for this glass sandwich design with Gorilla Glass 3 in front, though not quite sure about the back. More about that during the scratch test. Moving on to the software side of things, the Nokia 6.1 Plus is an Android One device, so it should be great for people who like or are used to pure stock Android. Totally bloatware free with usual Android features, the device feels smooth in operation due to the 14nm Snapdragon 636 processor, also used on devices like the Redmi Note 5 Pro and Asus Zenfone Max Pro. And coupled with the Adreno 509 GPU, it can play heavy games with ease. Apart from the con of these two tiny speaker ports which can totally get blocked, hardware wise the Nokia 6.1 Plus is a cute looking device, making single hand use a bit easier due to its smaller form factor. Talking of the camera user interface, it has most of the expected features like auto HDR, live bokeh, auto flash and kind of a semi-manual mode where you can tweak stuff to take macro shots or extreme close-ups. One of the cons you might face is that these icons are placed much too close to each other, making it a bit difficult to press them accurately. The picture quality is okay at best in good lighting conditions, but falls short in dynamic range, not able to balance the exposure in some situations. And using the tap to focus ends up overexposing the image. Not the best in details, contrast and color reproduction compared to the Xiaomi Poco F1, but it does get the job done in this budget segment. Starting with the scratch test, let's rub up both sides of this glass sandwich design with common items found in pockets like keys and coins, and then with a heavy duty box cutter. High quality glasses like these usually ends up with a few faint marks due to the key and coins and absolutely no damage from the blades. But the blades can result in ugly scuff marks in poor quality glasses used on devices like the Oppo A3s, Realme 1 and the Samsung Galaxy J6. So let's find out how the Corning tempered glass on the Nokia 6.1 Plus is able to handle the blades.
Time stood still when I saw you.
As far as the display goes, it survives the test as expected with just a faint mark by the key and no damage whatsoever by the blade. But the quality of the glass at the back is questionable and prone to scratches since it suffered multiple light scratches mostly in normal use. So the use of a case becomes mandatory to avoid these scratches. Now moving on to stuff which you have been waiting for, the bend test. Let's see how the glass sandwich design holds up to my bend force. 6.1 Plus does manage to keep Nokia's name and reputation of most durable phones. It managed to easily pass the bend test like a champ, and the structural integrity and body strength reminded me of Samsung phones like the Galaxy Note 9 or S9 Plus. Stay tuned to catch more videos on latest devices. Thanks for watching. Keep the peace. Catch you next.